How to change subtitle language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you will launch YouTube app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and go to your profile page. Tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen and from the settings section, scroll down. Then tap Captions. Now tap on the Caption Preferences and then make sure to toggle the button on. After that, tap Language option. Now you can easily choose your desired subtitle language from the drop down list. That is how we can easily change the subtitle language on YouTube app. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.